Hi and hello guys, this is Kady. Today we are going to see how to import Bolt into Unity's project. First thing is first, you have to download Bolt and Unity. Both of the links are given below, go and check it out. After download Bolt, to import it into your Unity project, you have to create new project with some name and location you want to save. Then go to Package Manager. In that, click the left tab. In that, choose My Asset. Now your assets are visible here. If not, type the name to find it. In my case, the download option is disabled because I done it already. If not in your case, download first and click import. After importing it into Unity project, you have to install the Bolt. Go to Tools in top, click Install Bolt. Now, small pop-up shows the API level of your project. If it shows wrong, don't worry, you can able to change later. Click Import. After that, the setup wizard will open. Just follow the instruction. Click Next and choose the type what you are familiar with. I'm not a programmer, so I choose Human Naming and scroll down to bottom, click Next and click Finish. Now the Bolt setup some default dependencies we can able to use. Don't worry, you can later able to delete it with your need. Now Bolt is imported successfully. You are ready to program with Bolt. I hope this video helped you a lot. If it is, click like, consider subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload the new content. That's it in this video guys. See you in another video soon.